airport, but guess where I'm at? I'm in
Vegas!
I'm in Vegas, y'all. So you already know it's lit. It's lit. It's mad hectic in the airport, so I was gonna vlog, but I didn't feel like it. It was like really hectic today. Like, and I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning. It was a dub. So, but yeah, your girl is 25 today. Well, by the time y'all see this, it won't be my birthday anymore. But your girl is 25 today. 25. Don't mind me, I look a little crazy. I just came from the airport, so you know we about to get ready and go out for our activities. But first, we gotta find something to eat. My elbows is ash. I look dusty right now. It's okay though, cause I'm gonna look. Y'all gonna see the switch up later on in this vlog. Y'all gonna see the switch up. Going to dinner tonight. I think that's all I want to do tonight because I've been traveling all day. I'm tired. I'm just trying to drink, you know, have a good time, eat my food, see the strip a little, you know, walk around, explore. I heard my hotel got a mall inside of it, so I'm about to go explore that. I'll probably go show you guys that too. But yeah, it's lit. This hotel is real big. You know, all the hotels on the strip of Vegas is huge. Like, when I mean huge, it's huge. Got many restaurants in them, clubs in them, malls in them. Like, come on. Who you know? Anyways. But yeah, y'all. I'm in Vegas. Lips is dry, elbows is ashy. I look a hot ass mess. But I want to give you guys a little room tour. So give me a moment. I'm gonna give you guys a room tour, y'all. So when you first come into the room, first thing you see is this lovely mirror that they have. Don't mind me, I look a little crusty and dusty. I just came from the airport, but I think y'all deserve a room tour again. So yeah, this is a nice little mirror. Don't worry about what's behind these double doors, because that's last, honey. That's last. But yeah, look at this mirror. Like, what? Anyways, so then you got this little room area with a TV. That shit about $40,000. Rich. I'm rich, bitch.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let me stop. Nah, but this nice king size bed. And then, isn't this cute? It has a little stairway. And then another TV over here. Little mini bar area. The fridge. We have a fridge in here, actually. And yeah, I'm not touching nothing in there because you know they be taxing. So, but yeah, this little area is a fridge. My little setup area right there. A little nice couch. It's cute. Coffee table. There's plenty of tables in here. For what reason? I really don't know why, but yeah, I guess we'll make use to it. There's a nice couch. Two nice love seats. It's cute. It's like giving me France vibes. There's the window. There's actually a button for the window to close the blinds. Like, you don't have to do it manually with your hand. You don't even have to get off the bed. I'll show y'all that later. But our view is not so great. It just looks like the top of a building and some desert in the background. But yeah, it's a nice little painting there. It's nice little lighting. It's cute. This room is cute or whatever. But yeah, so I wanted to show you guys the button for the curtains. It's cool. I think it's over here. I'm not sure which one it is. Hey. Yeah, so you press that button and it starts to close the blinds. That's mad dope. But yeah, anywho, this is just our closet where our clothes is a mess in there right now because we got a suitcase in there. But yeah, now We gonna see what's behind these doors. When I tell you this is the best bathroom I've had staying in a hotel, it's the best bathroom I have, real. Like, it's mad cute. So you got these double doors. First of all, it's like walking into paradise or whatever. You got a nice little vanity to do your makeup here. I don't know if I'll be doing makeup because Vegas is really hot and I don't know if I can stand the heat, especially with something in my face like that. Look at these mirrors though, like, it's cute. There's mirrors everywhere. And then they got a his and her sink. They got another TV in here. Here's what I like the most. Like, they have separate, you know, place for the toilet seat or whatever. So anybody taking a number 2, you don't gotta smell that. You don't have to smell it, guys. Like, it's amazing. Then it's a nice little tub. It's cute. It's actually big. It can actually fit like 2 people in there. Yep. And then there's the shower. But yeah, it's like mirrors everywhere. Like, who doesn't want to look at themselves? Like, there's mirrors everywhere. That's so cute. But yeah, it was a little mini room tour because there's not much to the room, clearly, but it's a nice size room for 2 people, so it's good enough for me. But yeah, guys, cute. Oh, and the double doors, they got mirrors. They have mirrors. So there's mirrors all around. There's no reason that you should be looking weak in Vegas if you're staying in this hotel. Actually, I'm staying in the Venetian hotel. If y'all want to know where I'm staying at, it's a cute hotel. It's huge, so pretty, so pretty. It's giving you Paris vibes. Literally, it's giving you Paris vibes, and it's really cute. It's giving you France vibes. I like how there's mirrors everywhere, so you can check yourself literally every angle before you leave the hotel room. So there should be no reason for you to look crazy out in these streets. But yeah, that wraps up this little room tour or whatever. You know what I mean? So it's a little short video. If you like videos like this as well, because I could do an apartment tour, let me know if y'all want that. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like my videos, you know, do all that stuff so I know what you guys like and I can do it more for you. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the rest of the night. I just got here from the hotel. See, I'm tired, y'all. But yeah, I just got from the airport. I'm ready to unwind before it's time to go out later. I'm just trying to relax. So, but yeah, make sure you go subscribe to my channel. Comment what you know, some suggestions, anything that you like, and like my videos. Make sure you go ahead and do that. Make sure you click that subscribe button down in the right hand corner, okay? Make sure you go ahead and do it. Do not forget. Don't forget. All right, bye guys.